How to change the language on your PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on your PC. So all what you have to do is go to down here in this search bar and search for language like this. Now click on language settings and it will take you directly to this page. Now right here you can change your display language of your Windows. After you choose, it's gonna be changed, or you can add another languages from here if you want. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.